everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Quick and easy and very tasty, delicious. One of the best appetizer for seafood lovers. Garlic lobster recipe. I'm going to show you today how to make it delicious garlic lobster. And let's get started. These are the ingredients we need. Lobster tail. This is 2-pound lobster and I'm going to use half of it. 1-pound lobster tail. These lobster tails are pre-cooked. This one is frozen. We're going to put it in a cold water. We're going to drain it and then we're going to cook it. Butter is strictly optional, but please add butter. It will bring the taste. Olive oil. 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. Half teaspoon each pink salt, black pepper, red chili flake, and 1 teaspoon parsley flake. Get a mixing bowl and we'll add half of these. If you haven't tried garlic lobster, please try it and you're going to love it. So I'm using like a half that. So this is 1 pound. These are pre-cooked. This is very delicious lobster tail. So we need to add the cold water. And within 5 minutes, there will be no more ice. And then we'll drain the water and we'll cook it. This is how it looks. The water is drained. Within 5 minutes, there is no more ice. Then let the water drain for another 5 minutes. So now we are ready and let's go to gas and start making our delicious garlic lobster. Start burner. Get a fry pan. Add 1 teaspoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Once the butter is fully melted, add garlic. Keep it moving and keep cooking. Now bring your gas on low, cooking for like a half a minute. Now add lobster tail. Mix it well. And as I mentioned, the lobster tail is pre-cooked. On low gas, keep it moving and keep cooking. We only need to heat up the lobster tail. Once you cook with the garlic and butter, they taste really well. But again, if you're health conscious, please skip butter. Cooking on a low gas for 1 minute. Now add all the spices. Salt is always to taste, so you can add more or less, and black pepper. Red chili flakes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, if you notice that we added olive oil and butter at the beginning, and it did soak up, and now it starts to release it. And that's it. It's all done. Parsley flakes. Mix it. After adding the parsley flake and mix it well, get a fresh lemon juice. Squeeze it on top of it. Perfect. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. Very delicious garlic lobster. I have my serving plate ready and look at this. Super quick and easy recipe. Let me share with you. Quick and easy and very tasty, delicious garlic lobster recipe. You've seen it. It's so easy to make. It's one of the best appetizer. If you are a seafood lover, then you're going to love it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.